Number of engineers or science students or BSc Anybody who has seen scientific calculator before or used scientific calculator? Okay, not bad. So today's session, so the two of you who raised hand, that means you already know what I'm about to teach by and large. So it may be a brush up for you. If you find it redundant, I give you full permission to just ditch the class and leave. That's the least I can do for entering into a fourth session slot. I wouldn't have stuck around had I been you.
Ma'am, we'll stay. Anyway, there's nothing to do.
Huh? That's okay. So, Ashish, you had raised your hand, right? Shubham and Ashish?
No, ma'am. I'm not a science student.
Okay. Shubham had raised hand. I don't know. One more student had raised hand.
Ankita, ma'am.
So Shubham, Ankita, you have scientific calculator with you, the physical one?
No, I'm not right now.
Not right
I
now,
don't have.
ma'am.
Yeah.
I have to look for
Okay,
it.
but I had shared the app, right? People have downloaded the app, or did I not share the file?
No, ma'am.
Yeah,
Are you talking about the Excel?
downloaded it.
Ma'am, we did download the app.
Can you post it on WhatsApp group again, just so that those who have not downloaded can download it?
Yes.
So there are a lot of functions which are required either in finance or in quantitative techniques, and they are better done on a scientific calculator. Of course, you have access to MS Excel, you have access to any online tool that you want to figure out in an online exam. But the fastest and the quickest tool that you can have next to you on your phone is a calculator, is what I feel. Uh, so, and not everyone is aware of how to use it. Yogita, you will be there in the entire session, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So I don't have to worry about the waiting room. You will deal with it.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Yeah. So we start with the first function that we will be looking at on the calculator. If you have already downloaded the app, your calculator will have a UI which looks similar to what is displayed on the screen. And if you can locate this x raised to function, x raised to key on your calculator, that is what we will be using.
Which app?
Can you check the WhatsApp? I have requested somebody to post the scientific calculator app.
Okay.
That's in the chat box, ma'am. If you want to download that.
Come again?
What you have sent us yesterday, ma'am, about the calci part, I have
Yeah.
sent in the chat box over here, ma'am, so that they can download it if they want it.
You want me to share it again on the chat box?
No, I have shared it for the people who did not download it, ma'am.
Okay, you have already done that.
Done,
right?
ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, but that is the PDF. No, this is regarding the app. Place to app.
So if you open that PDF, there is a link to the app on the PDF.
Okay, okay.
So those who have the app with you in front of you, press 2.5 and the power function key. automatically a raised to blank will appear on your calculator. Enter 3 in that blank and the answer will pop up.
Ma'am, if I have the scientific calculator, I don't need the app, right?
You don't need the app for sure, but you can't ask me questions. I think.
I have sent a PDF into the to the group. You can check
Okay.
those who don't have.
No, he's saying he has. Who is it? Who has the calculator?
Me, ma'am.
Sameer. So I'm assuming that you know how to use it.
Yeah.
If you don't know how to use it, then use the app because
Okay.
I won't be giving any separate instructions for a physical calculator.
Okay, ma'am.
मैम पीडीएफ में जो लिंक है वो ओपन नहीं हो रही है पर पीडीएफ में से
हाँ मैम.
इट इज जस्ट लाइक अ टेक्स्ट
Oh, it is like you have
मैम
to
ओपन होता है, ओपन हो रहा है. You have to copy
PDF.
it.
हाँ,
वो
copy
text
the
कॉपी
text
करके
and then copy the text and then paste it in Google.
Guys, I had shared the file in advance for a reason. You were expected to do this and then arrive in the session. Okay. Give me the remaining answers. Those who have the app access. Give me 1.08 raised to 11, 22 raised to 4, 6.8 raised to 4. Remaining 4 answers I want on chat box. All together, Mansi. Is there anybody who has not understood how to do it? Please
can you
ask
repeat
the-
again?
Repeat.
Yeah, is the app open now? Or it's still opening?
It's opening.
Then there's no point me repeating. Just post all the 4 answers together, whoever is posting answers.
I've posted.
Samir, which is your calculator?
It's Casio FX991MS.
Yes, right?
Yeah.
Everyone on the same page? Did your app open?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
The app is open. What
Mansi.
to do now?
Yeah. So press
Yes, ma'am,
2.5
Yes.
and then can you see on the screen I have highlighted a particular button?
X square.
Yes. So x raised to something. That's the power function.
अच्छा, हाँ.
So 2.5 raised to 3.
बरोबर. Yes.
Mansi got it?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I have the scientific calculator, the physical one.
Which one?
It's FX991 ES plus.
And have you ever used it?
Yes, I have used it.
Okay. Then you can use it. If you know how to use it, you can use it.
Okay.
But whenever there is any change of instructions, you will have to wait.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. But whatever is comfortable to you, do that.
Okay.
All right, moving on. So the way we had power function, we also have nth root of an entity. So I could have a 5th root or 25th root or 22nd root. So press shift and then the power function. Press shift and then the power function. Have two blank appeared on the screen with a root sign?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so in first blank enter 5 and in the second blank enter 88.
Two point four four. 2.45.
2.44.
2.44.
Anybody?
Second ka 1.2.
Put it on the chat box, Rajeshri.
Ma'am, we do not out the next third digit and like we use.
2 decimals for the time being I have put on the screen.
Okay.
So that you can tally your answers. I didn't want to write the entire digits.
Ma'am, please can you repeat again? I'm not getting it.
Sure, Tanvi. So on your calculator, and everyone apart from Tanvi, just have a look at the calculator that is there in front of you. Few functions are written in yellow and few functions are written in purple. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
There is a reason for it. There are two keys in the left hand corner, topmost left hand corner. One is shift and one is alpha. So when I want to use the color coded functions, I first press shift and then the key associated with it. Then I'll get to use that yellow colored function. So when I want to find the nth root, I'll first press shift and then the power function. So 2 blanks will appear along with a root sign, Tanvi. So press shift and then the power function. In the first blank, enter 5. In the second blank, enter 88.
Ma'am,
Yes, Rajeshri.
ma'am, I have Casio FX991 ES plus Calci. So it is
Do
okay.
you know how to use it?
I know.
Then you can use it. I won't be giving any instructions for physical calculation.
Yeah, okay.
Anna is quiet today.
Ma'am, do we have to buy this calculator or in phone it will do?
You can use the phone as long as the exams are happening online.
Oh, ma'am, I'm using Calci and still doing errors. So I thought, let it be. 5th root of 88, I did 5th root of 8 in the Calci also. So I said I should just stop it over here only.
You really have a typo issue. Like, and I'm so glad there are many people like me who have typo issues in brain. Like, we have typo issues in our brain at another level.
Ma'am, it is overconfidence, nothing else.
नहीं ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है, वो कुछ तो गड़बड़ है, वायरिंग लूज है थोड़ा सा अपना, बाकी कुछ नहीं है, कहीं तो कनेक्ट नहीं हुआ है. I hope people are tallying, arriving at the answers. Those who had initial doubts, Yagnesh, Tanvi, are you landing on the answers?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Sudipta,
Yes, ma'am.
you're getting the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm just randomly checking. Okay. Next function, exponential. So again, to reach the exponential function, we first go to shift, and then this particular key, if you see ln key, once you press shift and this key, E will appear on your screen. Just press 1.67 after that. So the function is e raised to. So that is built into it. You don't have to put power function again. Just press shift, ln, and then 1.61. You will have the answer. with you.
5.31.
Yes. Tally the remaining 4 answers. Post them on chat box.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am. Actually, the third question, E is to 7.
Hmm.
I means like the calculator on my mobile is showing E raised to 7. There is no definite numerical answer to it.
Just a second. Let me check it. 1096.6331.
I
What
don't
are
know
you?
why.
Yes, ma'am.
What are you doing?
Ma'am, I just did this. Check my screen.
Just a second. Just a second. No, I won't be able to see it like that. Just a second. Yeah. Okay. Try and clear it. Hit delete or AC clear.
Okay. I will
Again,
try once.
do it again.
It's once again the same.
Okay. Now, can you see there is a S-D button just above the delete key?
Just about S-D.
Yeah.
No, ma'am. I can't see.
Show me your calculator. Yeah, I can see it. That's above that S-D. Click that.
Acha, okay. Got it. Yeah. Now it's showing. Thank you, ma'am.
So for everyone else who faces similar problem, this particular key I'm talking about, just above the delete key, as I mentioned. If you click on this, it converts your fractions into decimals and decimals into fractions. All of you. I hope people are tallying on the answers.
Ma'am,
Yes, Paridhi?
ma'am, are we supposed to round it off up until how many decimals?
I leave it to you. You can round it out to 4, round it up to 2, round it up to 6, doesn't matter.
Okay, ma'am.
Science students are used to rounding it off to 4 digits or expressing it up to 4 digits after the decimal. Commerce students are used to, I think, only 2 digits.
2 digits.
Yeah. So since we have both the parties in the class, we come down to 2 digits. Least common multiple. Okay, take down the next function, permutation. We did it yesterday, if you remember.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so if you look at your multiplication and division key, just above multiplication and division key, there is NPR and NCR written over it. Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah,
ma'am.
so
Yes.
what does that indicate? To use the permutation
A combination.
function, I'll first use shift, then I'll use multiplication. So first press 10 on your calculator, press 10, then shift and multiplication key. So a P will appear on screen, and then press 5. So 10P 5 in one line.
Certain what you told?
Yes, I'll repeat it. So press 10 on your calculator, the number 10. Then press shift and multiplication. So a P will appear on your screen. And then press 5, 10P 5.
Thirty to 40.
Yes, Yagnesh. Tally the remaining answers for yourself. Is this better than the manual permutation calculations?
Way better.
Yes, ma'am.
I like Yagnesh's reaction. Way better. Yes, yes. Many of you are getting the answers. Glad. And I'm glad more students joined us. I was starting to wonder we are going to be 25 odd of us in the class. Similarly, the way you did permutation function, press N first, that is 10, then shift and division key. So a C will appear on your screen, and then press 5. So 10C5 in one line.
252.
252.
Yes,
Yeah.
Chirag.
Chitrang, ma'am.
Chitrang. Oh,
Yes, ma'am.
21.
Ma'am, but
252.
ma'am, but why your
22
answer is
second.
1.252?
No, it's
Barabar.
first
Just
answer
for
is
serial
2.
number.
Acha, okay. Sorry.
Numbers can play tricks. So you will definitely be using combination functions in quantitative techniques. We will be requiring it in one of the concepts. there it's a lot easier. Both actually. Um, combination and exponential and power function. All three functions are required. 54. Okay, now we are entering a different mode of the calculator. There are many modes: mathematical mode, complex mode, and whatnot. So we are going to enter the statistical mode. So press mode on your calculator. Can you see one option, stat / distribution? Select that option.
Which one?
Rajashri, first press mode, then stat / distribution, then 1-VAR. I think it's a third or fourth option on the screen.
Yes.
Okay. The moment you select 1-VAR and not 1-variable, 1-VAR, two columns will appear on your screen, X and frequency. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
What is
Yes.
happening with those who have 991 ES calculator, Casio 991 ES?
It is showing
I
one column.
have.
Ma'am, it says
It show.
it's complex. That's it. In my calculator.
No.
In my
So
also.
all those who have 991 ES, okay, press mode so that you can
Mode.
see stat on the screen.
Yes.
Select that option and then 1-VAR.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you getting X and frequency or only X?
Only
Some X and frequency.
X and frequency. Only
See two columns.
Yes, ma'am.
3 columns.
Means you have Rajashri, you are seeing 3 columns.
Yeah.
That means you have entered a wrong mode.
In my it is showing
No,
one
ma'am.
column and 3 rows. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Anmol, and what you have to
1 column and 3 rows. Yes.
So Anmol, Rajashri, press shift and then mode.
In stats, they have various columns and dividing 1 into 2, 1 into 3 type of.
I'm giving instructions specially to Anmol and Rajashri. Others, please focus on the screen what task I'm giving you. You have to enter the data, all of you. I have displayed the data on the screen. Under the column X, you have to input 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. To enter a number, you have to press the number and then is equal to. So press 22 in that particular cell and then press is equal to. The default frequencies are 11111 in the calculator. You will have to go to that cell, click on that cell and change it to 25, 20 and so on.
Can you please
Each time,
repeat?
yes, there are 2 columns in front of you. First, input all the X values. So one by one, press 22, then is equal to 23, then is equal to 24, and then hit equal to. So you will end up entering all the X values, then manually click on the frequency cells and enter all the frequencies. and wait. Anmol, you have the physical calculator, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So just press shift and mode and the downward arrow key.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you see stat?
Yes, ma'am.
Select that. It will ask you whether you want to switch on frequency.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Frequency it is on.
So you have to select that option. Switch on the frequency.
Yes, ma'am. It's visible now.
Yeah. Enter the data in the same manner. Input the value, then equal to. Input the value, then equal to.
Ma'am, can I ask a question, please?
Yes, Shraddha.
And what if I entered in the X column, age column, but then 2 of my data has just got deleted? I don't know how. So how can I revive? I am in the frequency column.
Okay. So your X column is correct.
Yes, it's just up till 24. I need to enter 25 and 6 as well.
So in 24, go to the cell where you have entered 24 and then press is equal to.
Okay. Okay.
Has
Yeah.
a new row got created?
Yes, ma'am. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Yeah. I don't kid when I say I have been doing this for over 10 years now and I know my stuff. Is there anybody with 91 MS? Casio 91 MS?
I'm with 991 MS, ma'am.
991 MS. How does that look?
I'll actually show it to you.
Yeah, please.
I don't know if you can see it.
Oh, yes. So your instructions are way different than others.
Yeah. So
do you know?
No, I'm doing it on my phone, so I couldn't figure it out.
Do it on the phone only.
Yeah.
I'll in the break in 2 minutes I can troubleshoot it for you.
Sure, ma'am.
But not during the class time.
Sure.
Oh, I used to have I have that calculator and I shifted my apartment. I don't know whether it was shifting or my son, but I'm not able to find my calculator.
Got
And
this
I
in 11th for my statistics class.
tell me about it. Okay, done entering the data, everyone?
Yes.
Yes. Now press shift and then 1. So once you press shift and 1, there is data, sum, VARS, min max in a horizontal ribbon, one next to other.
Yes.
So click on VARS, the third or the fourth option. I'm not sure which one it is.
No, your
It is written as
Variable.
variable full.
Then
Variable
select
calculate.
variable. Select variable.
It's variable calculate.
हाँ तो उसको click करो. Can you see X bar as the first option?
Yes,
Under
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
select that.
I'm in my calculator, it is showing only 3 options: type, data, and edit.
23.12.
इन आ गया उस पे क्लिक करने के बाद.
Anmol, Anmol,
Yes, ma'am.
press AC once.
Pardon, ma'am?
Press the key AC. Clear the screen or whatever you call it.
Yes, ma'am.
And now press shift 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Casio should really pay me. Okay. Is the answer 23.1538?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody
Yes, ma'am.
on the same page?
Ma'am,
I got 115.
Why?
मैम मेरी तो स्क्रीन ही ब्लैंक
Ma'am,
हो गई.
uh, can you
One
please
shift,
repeat?
then
23.153.
one, I'm not Yes, able to get it. 23.158.
Shift then one.
Okay, one at a time. Who got 115? Samir.
Ma'am.
Samir, press shift 1,
Yeah.
then click on data.
Actually, I cleared the screen. I'll do it again. 1 second, ma'am.
Okay.
Data. And then, ma'am,
Can you see the data?
data, yes. Where one,
Is there
3,
any error on the data?
the second number is not there. Like first variable calculate, and then direct third number 1 dash VAR.
No, 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 no,
Correct.
no, no, no. I need to see it. You'll have to switch on the camera and show it to me. Yeah. It rotated. It's rotating. Stop it from rotating. Yeah. No, no, no. It's okay. Press shift and then 1 and then select data. Show me what it is showing you. Select. Acha, so that means you have knocked it out. So select the third option, 1 dash VAR. You'll have to perhaps enter the data again.
Okay, ma'am.
Have you taken down the data?
Yes, I have the data. Like,
Yeah. Enter it. If you don't get it,
but
call
it's
out.
already entered, no?
I can't see if the data is entered. So now tally it. Tally it with the data on screen. There has to be error.
Okay.
See the last frequency. What have you entered? Is it 5 or 23?
Last frequency is 26, like 5.
There is no error in the data whatsoever.
Not at all. I'll shift, press 1. Yeah, plan.
I'm not able to see.
You might be able to see.
No. Okay, so go to the last frequency and then press is equal to and go to X bar.
I got my answer, ma'am. I have make it got
Okay.
resolved.
Okay.
Now what, ma'am?
Now shift 1.
Shift 1.
Then the variable option, the horizontal variable option, the horizontal one next to data, edit, summarization.
Variable option. Okay. And first one, no?
X bar, yeah.
Okay.
How much is the answer? So press that SD key just above the delete key. S-D.
23.153846.
Voila.
No, I'm getting digits.
Okay, good. Anybody who still is stuck on an incorrect answer?
Ma'am, after shift then 1, it doesn't come
Then-
VARS and X bar.
Then what does it come?
It come as a variable calculate 1 VAR A plus BX plus CX square.
No. That means you're clicking on the wrong VARS. So there is variable written on the horizontal button. Next to data, there is edit, summary or summarization, and then variable. Horizontal, not. So columns में देखो. In shift 1. Or else switch on your camera. Others, I'm giving you another data set. find the mean in the same manner. Please remember, I have given you class intervals. You will have to input the class midpoints as X. Yash, what happened?
Ma'am, how do we clear the data?
Yes. Big question. I hate these instructions, these particular ones. So all of you press shift and then 1.
Okay.
So go to data.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yes, you will have to
hi.
wait. I'm giving some other
Okay.
instructions now.
Okay, fine.
Okay. So can you all see the data? Select your data where you have entered your data. So let the data appear and then again click shift and 1. The edit option will appear the second time when you press shift and 1. I'll repeat it if you want.
Delete all कर फिर आ गया मेरा
Delete all से सबका नहीं जा रहा है. I don't know what's wrong with the app.
नहीं हो गया मेरा
Very good. Be lucky. Be happy.
-4.
Huh? So put the range.
How do we put range?
Oh no, you don't put range. You put the class midpoint. What is the class midpoint?
-4.
No. 0 to 4 is 2.
2.
अच्छा point.
4 से 8 में 6 वैसा.
10.
Yes.
Is there anybody who has not been able to delete the entire data? Sameer again. So Sameer, press shift 1, select data, and then again press shift 1.
I'm getting one variable calculate.
No. So next to data, can you see edit?
Yes, ma'am.
So click on edit and then select the third option, delete all.
Thank you.
Yash, switch on your video.
Yes.
Yeah, so what's the issue?
Shift और 1 press करने के बाद shift and 1. Now it come like this.
Yeah, so can you see data and then I think it's edit. I am not able to read the word correctly. Next to data, can you see edit?
Yes, edit. Okay, fine.
Yeah, next to that there is variable.
Next to edit is summation. Okay, got it. Mila.
So under that you will have X bar.
9.2.
Yes, it's 9.2.
Yes.
So
It is
Yash,
coming
we are
like
not.
301 upon 13.
So press that SD just about the delete key.
Okay, fine. 23.153846.
Yes. Now press shift 1. I'm not done with you, Yash.
Shift 1.
Yeah. Then select data.
Data, okay.
Again shift 1.
Data, again shift 1. Okay.
Can you see edit next to data?
Yes, edit.
Clear
Delete all.
Delete all.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah. Now
Again,
enter
new
the
values.
new values. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
And how to put 0 to 4 like that?
Yes, ma'am.
You're not supposed to put 0 to 4, Baba. That was the trick question. Come on. You expect me to ask you such simple questions? You shouldn't be in my class.
It should be 4, 8, 12, 16.
No, it should be 2, 6, 10, 14.
Midpoint जैसा.
Midpoint ही, जैसा नहीं.
और the formula, if you want it 0 plus 4 divide by 2. अगर formula wise देखेंगे तो, but you don't have to use because the numbers are easy.
So those who have 9.2 as the answer, I have one more task for you.
मैम 18.4 आया है.
नहीं, check करो फिर से. Those who have arrived at 9.2, delete all the values in your existing data using shift 1 or shift delete, whatever. And enter the next set of values, x in frequencies. Yes, Mansi.
15.13.
Yes. So is this comfortable or cumbersome? The last part of it.
Once we get used to it, we'll get comfortable.
Okay. So where you found X bar under shift 1. Okay. Go back to shift 1. Wherever you found X bar, can you read standard population standard deviation sigma X? The third option.
Yes.
Below 6
Yes,
X
ma'am.
bar. How much is population standard deviation for this particular data? Sigma X.
15.49.
1.02 या कुछ ऐसे.
1.024.
Not variance. Population standard deviation, the third one. Sigma X, not sigma square X.
454.
Not summation.
1.024.
Yes. So what I'm looking for is standard deviation, which goes by the symbol sigma. This
1.024.
is summation. This is sigma. 1.02, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Cool. Anybody who's still stuck, stranded, others can take break. I can troubleshoot queries.
Ma'am, can you help me with the sigma one?
Yeah, so press shift and
Yeah,
1.
ma'am.
Press shift and then 1. and click on that variable where you click to reach X bar.
Yes, ma'am.
So read the third value on the screen.
Ma'am,
Standard
can you share
deviation
the
in
screen
X.
again?
Yes, yes, yes. Click on that.
I got 15.49.
Actually, I feel before you do one this now, like now we first you found mean of X value. So after that, click on delete first and then go to shift and 1 because that also gets saved. And then when you do sigma X ना तो वो value के साथ multiply हो रहा है वो शायद इसीलिए वो हो रहा है. तो first delete it, delete button press कर, then do shift 1 and then do sigma X वाला standard deviation.
बट डिलीट के बाद भी वो सिंगल और स्लैश आर VAR आ रहा है वेरिएबल.
That's okay.
Single underscore where आएगा that is okay. Then वो
Yeah.
screen में ऐसे display करेगा. Then press that.
Shift
वो
1.
shift 1 and then do that.
टेबल डिस्प्ले कीजिए ना वो.
Rashmi, who had the problem? Or Mansi?
Bhumika, I asked for sigma 1.
Mansi.
Can
Wait,
you
wait,
see?
wait. Anna, wait,
Yes.
wait,
Yes,
wait.
ma'am.
Mansi, where are you right now? Stuck?
Ma'am, actually, I got the answer for say, the X bar, but can
Yeah.
you repeat the instructions for the submission wala?
So I don't want you to find summation. I want you to find population standard deviation.
Yes, yes,
The
exactly.
instructions are the same. Okay. As Anna is trying to tell you, once you enter the data, it is always a good practice to either click on the delete key or the AC key to clear the screen so that you don't misenter values unnecessarily into the data. Okay. Then go to the outputs. What are the outputs? X bar, summation, population standard deviation. So press shift 1. Then the horizontal ribbon, click on variable. And the third option.
And it's showing type data sum decimal and min max. I'm using the
Mansi, I'll
scientific
have.
calculator, the physical one.
You should have said that, Mansi. I told you I'm not giving instructions.
Ma'am, I have said it earlier.
No, but I don't need to remember each and every person, right? Press shift 2. Which calculator is this?
FX991ES plus.
Okay. So press AC once.
Yeah.
Then press shift 1. What options do you see on screen?
Just a second. Same type data sum var lister and min max.
So select the variable VAR, variance var option.
Okay. Yeah.
Sigma X.
Now, yes, it's there.
1.02.
Madam,
Yeah,
again you can tell me that how to come back and
Yash, wait, I'm in middle of something.
okay, ma'am.
Yes, it's 1.024.
Yes, Mansi.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Yash,
Tell me again how to clear all the data.
press shift 1. Then select data.
Data.
Again press shift 1. Now can you see the edit option next to data?
Yes. Now delete all. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, Bhumika?
Ma'am, for that sigma one, I got 3.07 something.
What are you using? What device are you using?
Ma'am, the app that you told us to use.
Okay.
मैम वो सिग्मा वाले का आंसर क्या है?
1.02. So, Bhumika,
Yes, ma'am.
and just see rows and columns. Is there any typo error?
Actually, ma'am, I did that. I went again to so it's showing. Ma'am, can I just show you once?
No, I want you to tell me which is the last X value and which is the last frequency value in your calculator right now.
17 and 3.
And is there any value entered below it?
No, ma'am.
Can you enter a spare row and column by clicking equal to?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Then press delete AC once.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now press shift 1, go to variable.
Yes, ma'am.
And the standard deviation. The
Okay.
Sigma square X and sigma X are
linear equations are.
Asav, I'm asking you again. Do you want to enter data? Do you want to see?
Ma'am, I have entered data.
Huh?
But then for X bar
Again, Asav, please focus on the question. Do
Yeah,
you
ma'am.
want to find X bar or do you want to enter data?
I want to find X bar. I have entered the data.
Correct. Now press shift 1.
Shift 1. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So can you see the first data word?
Yeah, ma'am.
Which is the next word to it?
Edit.
Next to that?
Summation.
Next to that?
Variable.
Click on that variable.
Okay.
And then can you see X bar?
X bar, mean of X values.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. My problem is I have a iOS device and in my calculator it's showing VARS. That's why I put it on the screen VARS.
Okay.
That's the problem.
Yeah, I was stuck in that only from long time, like.
But no problem. Now did you get it?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah. X bar.
Can you clear the data by yourself or you need help with that?
Can you please repeat once?
Yeah. So right now press shift and then 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the edit option next to data?
Ma'am, next to data it is summation, not edit.
Correct. Correct. So under data, click on data.
Okay.
Okay. And now again press shift and 1.
Shift and 1.
Yes, again.
Yes, ma'am.
Now could you see edit?
No, ma'am.
Paka, next to data, can you see edit?
No, ma'am. Next to data it is summation only still now.
Ma'am,
Okay.
actually, can I guide him? I did that.
Yeah, please.
After now you're in data now, so you can see one where variable wala na, third option, 1 dash var.
Fourth option it is 1 dash var.
Click on that 1 dash var and
Okay.
then click shift and 1.
Okay, yeah, now
Now
it's
we edit.
edit. Yes, yes,
Now
yes.
you can see edit. Now then the third one, delete all.
Okay, yeah.
Thank you, Anna.
Thank you. man. Thank you.
No problem.
Yeah. Bhumika, you still have concerns or it's sorted?
No, ma'am, I'm done. Sorry.
Okay. Now I'll take my well-deserved break. You again raised hand, Bhumika. Is that an error?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Sorry. Sorry.
Yeah. I'm going on a break for 10-15 minutes, guys. Just putting myself on mute and
Okay, ma'am.
am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
one thing to
Okay.
ask.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. I'm here.
मैम ये जो आज का जो पीपीटी था ये साइंटिफिक कैल्सी का ये मिलेगा हमको?
सब मिलेगा. Let us all go on Quick Force. I request each one of
Okay,
you
Quick
to
Force पे.
log on to Quick Force. Let me put a content. On Quick Force for all of you. So this particular section is section Q, right?
Yes, ma'am.
How many of you do not have access to Quick Force?
Ma'am, me.
Show your hands on the Zoom so that I can have a head count.
Sure.
Those who do not have access to Quick Force, have you written to
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
coordinator
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
_1? Okay, so you will get a
I
reward.
haven't got a report yet. Okay.
You will. It takes time. Sometimes things are a little slow.
Okay, ma'am. No issue.
but They fall in place.
Ma'am,
I'm listening. Bolo.
is Moodle and Quick Force different thing?
Moodle, Quick Force is a version of Moodle.
Okay.
So if you're familiar with Moodle, then you don't have to worry. Just above session 1, I'm trying to post an activity. Refresh and check. So with 1 year into online teaching, are you familiar with the Zoom breakout rooms?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mohit. So what we are going to do over here is, I'm gonna put you into breakout rooms. You will be paired with random teammates. Priya, is it about Quick Force? Why have you raised your hand?
It was about Quick Force, ma'am.
Okay, so you will be teamed into different groups with different people. 46, so maybe 6, 7. Yeah, 6 odd groups, 7 odd people per group. What you have to do is you have to go to internet, get live data. Okay, there have to be at least 10 values in that data. Find mean and standard deviation of data set and submit it on that assignment in Quick Force. So one person from the group can submit. Everyone doesn't have to submit. I should get one file in the end. What all do you need to give me? You need to give me your data. You need to give me your group member names. You need to give me mean, standard deviation, and the URL of source from where you have picked up the data. The data could be stock prices. The data could be revenue values for last quarters, for last 10 years. It could be rainfall. It could be any statistics that you can get on internet, but it has to be actual data and not some hypothetical example. Yes, Chitrang, you have something to share?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Is the assignment clear?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So I'm putting you into breakout rooms. Accept the link. I would be joining the rooms in about 5 minutes. Let the discussion start. If you get stuck anywhere, I'm there to rectify it or correct it.
Hello.
Kirti, what happened? Kirti?
Kirti.
Ma'am,
Yes, I'm here.
I submitted the data, but the submission status is showing as draft.
As?
Draft, not submitted in bracket.
Okay. I have two submissions with me. Shishir and Samir. Is that you?
I submitted our group. Ours is group 2.
Ma'am, group 2 have submitted.
So Samir and Shishir, दो submissions आए हैं मेरे पास. ड्राफ्ट एक है, इसका मतलब वो अटक गया है. आ जाएगा वो. Don't worry about it.
That is group 1, Sanjeet.
Yeah, so that is also there. Okay. The idea of this particular assignment was, yes, Samir, you can.
Thank you, ma'am.
It's a lot easier to find the simple mean and standard deviation when I give you 10 values. Okay. But when you're out in the industry, when you're working by yourself, when you will be representing data to your subordinates, seniors, maybe in a presentation format, nobody is going to give it to you in a on a PPT or as a question and answer format or a question and solution format. So you need to learn to understand what data to take, what data to look at, and how to play with it. So, and the more authenticated the data is, the better. So you can rely on it. That was the other agenda or objective behind this activity. Of course, the incidental learning expected is you should know that there is something called as group data and ungrouped data, because there was a lot of queries and discussions कि मैम frequencies क्या ले, हम frequencies को क्या ले. So frequencies थी ही नहीं यहाँ पे, because it's a case of ungrouped data. Just take 10 values, enter them into the calculator, and give me the answer. That was it. It was as simple as it can be imagined. I hope you learned something. That is the whole idea behind such activities, that there's a lot more learning and understanding dawns upon you when it's done in an activity based format than in a teaching learning format.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So see you next week.
Okay,
You're
ma'am.
done for the
Okay,
day.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
And also
Thank
to
you, ma'am.
familiarize with you something
Thank you, ma'am.
quick.
अरे रुको. हाँ ma'am, you can say.
Thanks, Mohit. I so want to definitely meet two of you. Like, forget the teaching part in the semester, but when the time comes, like,
Main would be Yagnesh, na?
so I do
had
want to
fun.
meet Yagnesh. I do want to meet Anna because she's a lot like me in the calculations part. I do want to meet Mohit. Shubham, yes. But
Ma'am,
yes.
where to upload? Ma'am, what about
favorite would
people
be
from Uttar
Yagnesh.
Pradesh?
who?
Ma'am, me, Chitrang.
Chitrang. I see.
Yes, ma'am.
वैसे तो I am saying these people because this is the third session and we have ended up interacting on about something or the other. That's
It's my first.
yes. So we will have a lot of opportunities, hopefully, to create some more memories.
Sure.
All right. That's all for the day, guys. I'm ending the meeting.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
इससे बहुत ज़्यादा चलती है
Yes.
पहली मीटिंग में.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.